In a quiet neighborhood, one family struggles with food insecurity. Their fridge is nearly empty, and the curtains remain drawn. This isolation isn't just physical, it's emotional. Studies show food scarcity often leads to social withdrawal. But little do they know, their community holds the key to change. At dawn, a mysterious basket appears on their porch, fresh vegetables, homemade bread, and a jar of honey. Research indicates such solidarity foods carry 23% more nutritional value due to shared care. The family hesitates, unaware this small act carries centuries of communal tradition. The shared food inspires reciprocity. The family bakes cookies from their last sugar reserves, a psychological phenomenon called the muffin effect. Anthropologists note this creates stronger bonds than monetary exchange. Neighbors begin leaving surplus garden harvests by the community mailbox. Weekly potlucks emerge under the old oak tree. Food sociologists emphasize how shared meals increase oxytocin levels by 40%. Elderly Mrs. Chen teaches kimchi making, while teenagers organize a crop swap app. The table grows longer each week, literally and metaphorically. The neighborhood converts a vacant lot into a collaborative garden. Urban agriculture studies show such spaces yield 30% more when tended collectively. The banker grows heirloom tomatoes beside the barista's vertical herb garden. Even the mail carrier contributes composting expertise. They renovate an abandoned laundromat into a shared kitchen. Food safety regulations adapt to accommodate this micro-commissary model. Morning shifts prepare school lunches, while night crews preserve seasonal surpluses. The scent of shared meals becomes the neighborhood's new signature. Food becomes the universal language. Gonzalez's tamale lessons fund ESL classes, while the Thai restaurant owner hosts monthly dinner and dialogue events. Culinary anthropologists observe how shared cooking accelerates cultural integration 3x faster than formal programs. Teenagers launch a food rescue bike brigade, redistricting surplus from local markets. Data shows their efforts reduce neighborhood food waste by 68%. The high school adds culinary arts to its curriculum, with seniors mentoring elementary seedling chefs. The system becomes self-sustaining. Kitchen scraps feed community chickens, whose eggs supply the bakery, whose wheat chaff fuels the pizza oven. Economic analysts note the food multiplier effect. Every donated dollar circulates 5.3 times within this microeconomy. On the anniversary of that first basket, the once isolated family hosts the neighborhood feast. Demographic surveys now list food sharing participation as the strongest predictor of community resilience. As the oak tree's shadow lengthens, new families arrive, and the table grows once more.